So hello friend. So today in this session we will learn what is the importance of comments in the Python and how to declare the comments in Python. So first go into the how to declare the comments. Let's see what is the comments in general in the any language of code. So comment is basically the line of syntax that will use to give the description about what is the code. So let's say you have designed any code and after 2 years or after 3 years you will going to open that code, and after you will open that code, you at that time you don't remember what is exactly the importance of each and every line of that code. So the comments is basically give some description, give some idea about why you have declared that line and what is importance of that line. So basically whenever a compiler or interpreter, let's say for the Python language we will use interpreter, or any C language we will use compiler to convert the high level code into the machine level code. So basically compiler and interpreter compile your code, or interpret your code, then it will neglect the comment part. So it will not take the comment part, it will only take the uncommented part for their compilation or interpreter purpose, and then convert that code into machine level language. So this is also one important part of the comment. So now let's see how we can declare the comments in Python and what are the different types of comments in Python. So basically Python has two types of comment. One type is single line comment and another is multiple line comment. So what is difference between the single line and multiple line? So whenever you are giving a comment in the only one line, then you will use one line comment argument. And whenever there are multiple line, you want to give some description about the function. So that time you can use the multiple line comment. So we will see how to declare the one line comment and the multiple line comment. So you can see on the screen I have opened the Python. So if you haven't downloaded the Python yet, please watch the first video of this same series. The video link is given in the description. This is the third part of this series. So if you want to understand the Python from the basic, please watch my first, second and this third video. So let's say we will going to declare, we will define one function, one program here. So don't focus on the syntax part because we will see the syntax in the future, and each and how to declare what is the syntax definition, how to define any variable. But right now only focus on the comment. So let's say I have declared one variable here, a is equal to 3, and let's say b is equal to, so this is one my variable, a is equal to 3, then I will declare b is equal to 4, and I am going to sum this variable, sum a is equal to a plus b. This is simple line of code, and then here I am checking if some value, and here if I am printing the data value is greater than 10. Else print value less than. So this is the basic simple program. So what in this program we did two variables and we do the summation, and then we are checking if sum is greater than 10. If yes, then print this one, and no, then print the less than 10. So this is simple program. So here if you want to write the comment, so you can add declaring one variable. So let's see how to write the single line of comment. So hash. So whenever you define any hash before any syntax or before any line, that line treated as a comment. So let's say this is hash, and I'm giving one information here, declare your variable. So this is the single line of comment. So whenever you define one single variable, so this is the one single variable, and before that variable if you add the hash, then it is called as a single line comment. And let's say what is the multiple line comment. So here I am declaring multiple line comment. So for this whatever the functionality, I am giving the description here, so I can understand in future what is that functionality meaning. So here I am checking my summation is greater than 10 or not, and then performing operation based on that value. So here you can see I have given the 3 lines. So there are 2 options I can declare the comment here. So first I will take the hash in front of each and every line. So it is also the one way. But let's say there are 100 number of lines. So what you will do? So in that case you should use the multiple line comment. So how is multiple line comments in the Python? You have to declare 3 times colon. So 1, 2, 3. So it is start of colon. So you can see once I give the start of colon, whatever the code after that colon, it is considered as a comment. So you have to give the end of that column also. So again 3 end. So you can see this is my start, this is my start and this is my end. So whatever the line whatever the line between these two this start colon and end colon, that is considered as a multiple line comment. So this is the 2 way to can define the comments in the Python. I hope you understand. And let's say I have saved this code and run the code. We can see value is greater than value is less than 10 because summation is 3 plus 4 7. So that's mean it is printing. So let's say what is the different types of error you will occur when you add a comment. So let assume that you forgot to mention this 3 dot at the end. So again I will go and run the code. So you can see here the source must be saved. Okay, okay, and there you can see E of L while scanning the triple quote string illiteral. Literal. So this is error, syntax error you will find if you miss the 3 literal, or you can say 3 column. So it is very important to understand the syntax error also whenever you write the code. So that is the main agenda of this video. So I hope you understand the single line of comment. I hope you understand the multiple line of comment. You can add comment anytime, anywhere in the code. You can add here also. Here also you can add, like I am doing 3 dot here, and then inside that dot I am writing something XYZ. So you can add comment here also. You can add here also. But comment is very important. If you go into professional world, then each and every line should have the comments. Why you declare that line? You should have the justification of that line. So that's that time you require the comments. So I hope you understand this simple series. Request you please subscribe my channel. Currently you can see I have 1446 subscriber and 3710 watch hour. So to verify my channel on the YouTube, I require 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hour. So with your support, this criteria also completed. Only this criteria remaining. So I request you please watch my complete video. So this criteria will be easily completed. So once you click on the subscribe button, you can see it is not beneficial for me also. It is also beneficial for you, because I have uploaded more than 51 video on the Raspberry Pi. Then currently I am working on the Arduino project also. There are some Python project I have uploaded. So if you want to learn the Raspberry Pi Arduino Python language from me, you should subscribe my channel and you will learn all the thing in freely. So please support me. Please click on the subscribe button and please watch my complete video.